In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana in 2025. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to refine your process, this guide will help you navigate through the essentials. Let's begin by setting you up with a free Asana account. To get started, head over to asana.com. Once you're there, look for the Get Started button and click it. Here, you'll have the option to sign up using your email address or your Google account. After you've entered your details, ensure that you choose the basic or free plan. Remember, there's no need to enter any credit card information for this process. The free plan offers a lot, especially if you're a small team or an individual looking to enhance your productivity. Now, what's included in this free plan? First off, you get unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and activity logs. That's a great way to stay organized without worrying about hitting limits. Plus, there's unlimited storage with each file capped at 100 megabytes, ideal for those essential project files. You can also invite up to 10 teammates into a workspace, providing ample room for collaboration. As far as organization goes, you have access to multiple views: list view for traditional task lists, board view for a more visual Kanban style approach, and calendar view to help track deadlines efficiently. The plan also includes basic search and reporting features, as well as integrations with popular tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Outlook. Moving on, let's set up your first workspace. This is where you can organize everything, whether it's for personal goals or team projects. Inside the workspace, you'll create projects. Think along the lines of a marketing plan or a content calendar, whatever aligns with your needs. Under each project, you can add tasks and subtasks. This setup helps break down larger goals into manageable pieces, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Next, let's explore how you can organize your projects with different views, even on the free plan. As mentioned earlier, you have the flexibility to switch between list view, board view, and calendar view. This is not just useful for visual organization, but also for adapting to different workflows without needing any premium features. It's a simple yet effective method to keep track of due dates and task priorities. Lastly, Asana isn't just about task management. It's also a powerful tool for collaboration. You can add up to 10 teammates to your workspace for free, ensuring that a collaborative effort doesn't come with a price tag. Assign tasks to individual team members to clarify responsibilities. Additionally, you can add collaborators to tasks so others can stay updated on progress. Don't forget, you can comment and upload files directly on tasks, making communication straightforward and centralized. And there you have it, a quick guide to getting started with Asana in 2025.